Fudge got him going.
Classic. Oh, Fudge got him going.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66 no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on 4G auto rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
What you running for, man? You can't hide from the camera now. No, you can't hide from the camera. Don't get me running now. You can't hide from the camera. Yeah, he got them warrants.
Ain't no warrant, that's what's up. Here it is, them trees. Yeah. They're out there with flashlights. They go out back looking. We can't see how no baby can go through that fence. I said, nah. I said, I hit my shit. I didn't hit my fence.
This is not a wrap. No, sir. That's paint.
It's gonna cost y'all a couple dollars. I don't know what we're gonna do here now.
I'm gonna make a whole lot of money off of this now because I got you in it. So once they see you, I'm gonna get rich. What's that? Ooh, look at the box. Look at the box. Check out this interior on this box. Look at that paint job. Camera ain't doing it justice though. Yeah, maybe you can see that blue in the line. See that the body lines? Look at that blue. Woo-hoo. Yes, sir. Check out this interior though. Cold piece. Oh, that's dead body. What we got in there? Woo. Look at that interior though. Ocean blue. Ocean blue, baby. Look at that paint job. Look at that paint job. Got his road dog riding in the back with him. Gold him out. Look at Goldie. Then we got my boy Dooley D. Dooley D out here. Got to step back so we get all Dooley D up in this thing. Yeah. Y'all check out Dooley D's interior in case y'all ain't seen it. Woo! Woo! Ain't nothing like that orange. Man, I'm getting thirsty. I'm getting thirsty. Y'all getting thirsty? Y'all getting thirsty watching this video? I got a big ass soda for everybody out here. Z06. I got a big soda out here for everybody. It's that Sunkiss, baby. We got that Sunkiss out here. Who drinking Sunkiss? Yes, sir. We got that Sun Kiss out here, of course. Orange Crush ain't ready yet. But still got Sun Kiss out here doing his thing till Orange Crush get ready. Dang on it. Yeah, car ain't ready. But Orange Crush should be ready soon. But in the meantime, Sun Kiss ain't holding them up. Yes, sir. Look at my baby. I ain't gonna even lie. Sun Kiss bad. That thing bad. Yes, sir. That thing bad right there. I should stay humble, but I ain't. Talk my shit. Talk your shit, George. That Sun Kiss right there cold. Hey, you see it. Better bring home a trophy. Better bring home a trophy. Yes, sir. If you don't bring home a trophy, you ain't coming in the house. You ain't coming in. We leave your ass sitting right there. 269 classic cars. We gone. Out.
269 classic cars. 269 classic cars.